Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into your hosting cPanel. Once logged in, open File Manager and navigate to public HTML or the site's document root. You need to locate wp-config. PHP now so you can read the DB name, DB user, and DB host values. This tells you which database WordPress uses. Make sure you have a backup of wp-config, PHP, and any files you edit. Once done, you'll be ready to access phpMyAdmin or edit theme files safely. This prevents accidental lockout while you change admin. Now, open phpMyAdmin from cPanel and choose the database name you noted. The table prefix may not be WP, so check carefully. Locate the user's table and find the admin account row. You can edit user pass and choose MD5 from the function dropdown to set a temporary password. Alternatively, insert a new user row and add correct capabilities in the user meta table so you have admin rights. Make sure to save changes and note the new credentials. Once you log in, WordPress will rehash the password for you. Try signing into your site. com/wp-admin using the updated credentials. Make sure to clear browser and any caching plugin cache so you don't hit stale redirects. If login still fails, add a temporary admin user by briefly inserting a small user creation snippet into your active themes functions. PHP, then remove the code after confirming access. If problems persist, check wp-config. PHP for the correct DB prefix and credentials. Inspect file permissions and error logs, and restore your backup if changes caused a site outage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.